Yeah, me know. We're in a stage show thing now, you know. War.
Stone love, whoa, na, na, whoa, hey, hey, hey.
Yeah. Final one this, yeah.
The Sea Marshal International Sound Camper, National Sound Camper, National Sound Camper,
Look a bit. Listen me now, no people. And David Rodigan and Stone Love, don't it?
Memories don't live like people do.
Level. Radigan a fly from England, everything alright, but a Jamaica with it. All Jamaican guns out. Guns out. Level. All the money from Jamaica who not fear nobody. Gun under the air. Gun! If you know what people they do. Pull up it up. Father Radigan of dope. Respect for the wartime. Let it play. Hey, now. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Yeah. This is the first in Negril. All courtesy is Kingston. Father Radigan.
No, hold on there before you bring down Father Radigan, Bili Slaughter. People, them dance are history dance. I go down in the book of history. Stone Love and David Radigan. First time in a Negril. You see them two big machine here play. You get me? All who respect David Radigan right now, give him a round of applause to me. Give him a round of applause to me, because them man are foundation, them man are elder. You understand? So enough respect to Father Radigan. Father Radigan, take it away. Radigan!
Thank you, Bill Cosby, and thank you, Negril, thank you, Westmoreland, and thank you, Jamaica. My love affair with this island began in 1964 when I heard My Boy Lollipop and Oh Carolina and the Scatterlights and the Wailers. And since then, I've visited the island on a regular basis and played the music of Jamaica across Europe. It has been my pleasure to do so. But right now, I love Clash. And we're going to play 10 each in a 1-for-1, 10 big ones each. And with the Stone Love, and the reason why some of the Clash thing get down in the gutter, they get too nasty and dirty. Music talks, and big speech walk. So right now, less of the big speech and more of the music that made Jamaica great. From Riverton City and Seaview Gardens, the poor people's governor, Rodney Price, 13 years ago.
This is none other than the mighty David Rodigan. None of mercy. From way out to London. None of mercy. I just got a big man from Nottingham. None of mercy. And man from Birmingham. And man from Manchester. Mama Big Winchester. None of mercy. Round the track, no long story. Rodigan get in the morning glory. Hey. None of mercy. Got a big man like knitting shaders. Got to. And I'm like introduce. None of mercy. Billy Diamond and my friend Bromwell. First put of people like
Stone Love. I'm already gonna talk to you.
Yeah, tell. Well, kill or be killed, you see the talk can't tell. Mommy gun pop up, your blood overspill. Kill or be killed, them see the talk can't tell. David Rodigan gonna murder you know. Me the murder informer, gonna live in hell. Big Mac 11 like your friends tell. Boy, see me gonna all a damn chest bell. The people him up, tell him come confront his tell. Him really down in a
Well, when I hear from Radigan, him say, killer be kill, right? Right. Bouncy killer.
Yeah. Stone Love stop look and some of us kill them anyway. Watch a weep out, cheek and cancer, they get murder, watch a Rory, we have no mercy, Allah, single shot person. All the wicked man from
where Westmoreland man them there right now? Orange Hill, big up on yourself, yeah.
I don't go to run the giant church, bounty killer talking on art. Run down. All the wicked man listen Stone Love, yeah. He's a wicked general with a partial part, Elliot people that does like that.
Why bounty killer fans and Stone Love fans them there, yo? Radigan, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
From no side, Stone Love no better run. No way till we back with no bar we go.
All who can defend the war. Go on the light of the war. Go on the light of the war.
Copper shot, tell him for me, tell him just stop the building.
Oh man, it just start.
You think I'm following you? One tune each, you think I'm following you? I play a bounty killer, you play a bounty killer. You think I'm gonna play a next bounty killer? No! No!
They gonna sound killer.
Hey! Hey!
Sound killer.
Hey!
Sound killer.
Body.
kill them again.
Up.
Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Radigan a sound killer. Killer.
Hey, Diamond. Whoop.
Sound killer. Sound killer. Sing. Who God bless, so the no sound curse.
Bili.
Kill them Radigan and put them in a hearse.
Hey.
Then you bury them under the earth, them town vampire. Them will suck out your blood. Murder them.
Hold up. Wanna hear that?
Yellow.
Wanna hear that? What about you there? Well, I know that not frighten me.
Only the Father see and he knows. And
What about you there?
stone love.
Bigger and bigger tune that come. Let the combine and leave they can't frighten me. Negril.
A stone love could I never get. Swell lady.
Shut it, ba.
Could I never get.
Yeah, man.
Two champions.
So,
About we are run. Pick up the gun.
wanna hear that? How can I say?
Yes, Billy. All right, now, I'm going to play one of my all-time favorite DJs. Before Sean Paul got the Grammy. Name the first Jamaica DJ to get the Grammy in Hollywood. Rexton Fernando J.
Send a request from the depths of my heart. Shabba to David Rodigan. Humongous request from the depths of my heart. Shabba. Send a request to Rodigan. Top, high rebel. Real reggae rebel. Play for the people. Boss up all the dub there. Keep them shine on us. Cause the plate, it a whistle in a dance hall. So don't get panic. The whole of them finish. Come down, set. The plate a play, so boy get panic. People love the music, Rodigan a select.
Hold up. Sorry.
Wicked Shabba, I'm not lie. Yeah. Billy Slaughter bust that pan 45 in a house in Jamaica, yeah. Wicked 45. You see that tune I'm going to play now?
Step up! Yeah, man, and all of the Fletcher's land people, and all the junglers and the spanglers, them and all of the TG crew. Yeah,
And anybody can play that tune.
not jumping smart, they know, still never do it, man. Stone boy and now recognize it.
All who come from Clarendon straight back to Negril Pine, Westmoreland, I can't defend themselves.
Love come again.
Put it up in the air, banned.
We have been dead with the gun in our hand, we now go deadline, no coward. Stone love, man, them.
Put it up in the air, you know. Every light up on the beach to the hand. Whoa. Original gun in the hand, make me say. Whoa.
Original gun in the hand, make we see it.
We don't deal with them.
Gun panty.
You know.
All matter bogo, now we
Run the gun them.
All matter bogo, now we sit down pan them.
You know.
All matter bogo, run the gun them. All matter bogo, now we sit down pan them.
Say bam bam.
Especially how we sit down pan it.
Pull up on it.
Richard Feelings, Bill Cosby, Billy Slaughter, Billy Diamond, original Stone Love, Father Powell, wherever you are in the world, Rory. The respect from me to you is concrete, solid as a rock, not can't move. No disrespect. I never did, never will, never could. Now this is a 1-for-1. But you see right now, to kill the tune you just played, I'm going to call on the Wild Apache. The original Killamanjaro, kill anything dead, don't move an inch of muscle. Hey!
Well, it's some little guy come talk with him front teeth, gold teeth, side teeth, column teeth, piper and castle and that.
Hey!
Rodigan to kill on if a boy was still kill about 20
Hey!
and 41. Back on the one to test that. We them want for ram it up. And Mr. Radigan them want figure rip it up. And all the blank card style and them a pick it up.
Hey!
From in a London town and where them touch it up. When Mr. Rodin all the place and them a brush it up. And Mr. Rodin all the place a figure rip it up. Say dan da da dan da dan da da dan da da dan da da. For y'all them say Radigan a dance.
Super cat!
The boy no go test and Mr. Radigan fall off of the angel come fi fan him with the eagle's feather. A boy try something then we a go turn it up. Them a touch it up.
Gang down, Negril, Radigan and Stone Love, 1-for-1, Billy.
We're not ready to play my super cat yet. Yeah. The artists here, when the artists here are bad, dance all wicked. These are the baddest artists out of Britain, Portmore.
Me say, Stone Love.
clear anything perplex, begun and dead is here. Who fi dead, who fi get crippled gone in a wheelchair. Oh God, people, cheek.
Where man come your friends them there?
God, people dead.
A long time Negril not hear them tune.
That's right, tell them to dress back.
Westmoreland, Sam Lamar. Big up on yourself, yeah. Winston.
It's like when we hammer that pussy, we knock it up like it don't make sense. The pussy them sleep.
Bobby see the 4 bad lights on them in the ear. Long time Negril not hear them tune, yeah. I need that ear, car.
It's like
who be cripple, who be blind.
One bag of talking, sing, think me not shine.
Hey, pull up.
You know, in 1 for 1 is generally vintage, but right now I'll bring you right up to speed. The tune we played earlier on Junior on Welcome to Jang Rap is one of the biggest tunes in Europe right now, but this is the second biggest tune, or one time even more popular than the Junior Gong. A Radigan original Soundboy special.
Yep, this is T.O.K. David Rodigan, you don't know, all the way from London, England.
Hey, legendary dance, Negril.
Rodigan, yeah, ball boy, help me. Lord, help me. You should have prayed before you come and dance.
Slaughter, culture the house.
Where my fans up there from Winston, Negril, Orange Beer, big up on yourself, Orange, large up on yourself, Westmoreland.
Gotta see them a come. Don't love a conqueror.
Fire!
See them a come. One day, don't love a killer.
Yeah.
They are coming to accuse I.
Hey.
Things I know not about.
Yeah, man.
They are coming.
You should have prayed before you come and dance. Original culture.
Radigan and Stone Love. At Easter, we played a big dance in New York, in Queens, at Club A. And Powell said to me, Radigan, how come sound systems don't make good dubs anymore? Well, that's a good question. But you see, me and Stone Love, when it comes to making specials, Winston, I tell you this, we're very particular. We like to make our specials neatly and discreetly. We like to make them in an original fashion. One of my all-time favorite artists, I call her the Queen of Rocksteady. No sound in the world can play this. This is the one and only late, great Phyllis Dillon out of Treasure Isle.
Wicked tune. Yeah, but boy, I don't know. She's on Hunger and she had that special day. Yeah. She's on Hunger and she had that special day. I'm not lying. Anyway, the one that me play, no sound Negril can't play neither. Yeah, this one is special. It's exclusive. Leroy Smart.
What's this? International sound that rules the whole entire world. And this is I, Leroy Dan Smart. Stone Love, the international sound all across the globe. Alton Ellis, respect you. Nice.
Leroy Smart, Alton Ellis, no sound in the world. Play it like this, yeah. Where the Martin Stone Love, big up our Stone Love fans. What?
Now Stone Love is a sound.
Believe me.
Stone Love is a sound.
Big up all Alton Ellis fans, Stone Love in the building, wow.
Stone Love is a sound.
Who will
kill your sound if you try to take it.
Leroy Smart introducing Alton right about now, Radigan.
The same year Alton Ellis sang I'm Just a Guy. 1967 was the same year Delroy Wilson sung the song he's about to sing as a special. One of my all-time favorite singers, Delroy Wilson. And when I was coming from Kingston to Negril today, I got a big shock. Jesus, I come on that highway. I didn't know about that highway. I heard about it the first time I ride on it. Like zoom, 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 zoom through Spanish Town. Zoom, 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 zoom. I felt like I was in Sweden on the highway. The return journey tonight with Stone Love. Hear this. Bili, listen.
I beg you back up your jump and sound and go.
Hey!
Radigan is the best.
Delroy Wilson.
Won't you go on, sound?
Oh!
Go on. Won't you go on, sound, boy?
Here's a Winston. Here's a Bili. Oh!
Believe me, son, boy, when you hear Radigan play.
Delroy Wilson.
He's the best selector.
Oh!
He's the order of the day. Won't you go on, sound? Go on.
Oh!
Go on.
Father Powell, anyway, there. Big up Rory, brethren for 25 years, original founding father, the mighty Stone Love. Bili, come.
You hear that? I don't ready for playing the God execute. Gregory!
Him no really fat, but him skinny and bony. And the man called Reaper.
Original rhythm in a dancer.
The Stone Love Crew, yeah.
Ah, look at the Isaac fans, big up on yourself. Long time nigga now, yes, one of my favorite dancer.
Who's gonna hold in sweet time? Somebody tell me.
Fire!
Now that she's gone out of my life. Lord.
Yes, Gregory.
Who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do, yeah.
Yeah.
Now that my love is overdue.
Gregory Isaac, sing something for the ladies. Yeah.
Now that my love is overdue.
Gregory Isaac, sing something for the ladies.
Alright. She was seeking for some vacancy. Said she wanna be my secretary, yeah. Lord, no. She never really passed her GC, no.
Gregory Isaac could sing on and on. That's a medley, but you don't know. I want to patrol. Radigan.
I haven't followed you on artist, but I'm about to follow you on rhythm. I'm actually going to trace that rhythm, follow you on the rhythm in a different style. Winston, hear this.
Now many did try but could not test Radigan sound. No. Many did try but Radigan just blew them down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But exclusively. But for Radigan himself. Play Radigan when you play. Hey! Hear this.
Negril!
Yeah. Now many did try but could not test Radigan sound. No. Many did try but Radigan just blew them down. Yeah, yeah. Oh! Some little idiot went to the bank, withdraw all his money. What up? Thinking that's what it takes to take the Radigan crown. But Radigan just played dubs, have the old dancehall down. Hey! Rock it from now till the morning sun comes shining.
Until the morning sun comes shining, we wish, but it's a fast one. We have to watch the time, and it's running fast and rapid. Bili.
Well, that was regular. I could play that one. But I'm not going to play no regular tune right now. I'm going to play something exclusive.
Now hear this. Everything was stolen up now. The sound boy them follow. So around, so don't come follow stolen up now, because this is nitty-gritty. When we talk about nitty-gritty, original nitty-gritty. Sound boy the bass, your bumper.
I remember nitty-gritty. Give me the lights on them in the ear now.
Stone Love rule, man. Every time.
Well, lights on when nitty-gritty fans are from way back. Where did nitty-gritty fans from way back? Scandal, Father Skin, big up. Clarendon crew.
Keep them right up.
Radigan.
Pack up your chuggle and cross her geese. Pack up your chuggle and cross her geese. Stone Love not in a test class her geese.
Nitty-gritty.
Stone Love not in a test class her geese.
Yeah.
Them tweeter, yes, hitting a radar.
Yeah.
Them weight box, yes, hitting a radar. Them turntable up with well easy. Them selector him lazy badagi.
First one out top, the nitty-gritty box.
Stone Love, I'm going to take you up Spur Tree Hill. I'm not going to take you up Spur Tree Hill by the new highway. I'm going to take you up the old road. The old road up Spur Tree Hill, up into Mandeville. It's the home of who? The home of who?
Attention, please. I want you to know Radigan don't come to throw bottles or stones, fire gun or throw bombs in this time. But musical wickedness in dancehall places. Garnet successor.
Garnet.
Let them keep talking.
Wow.
Whoa, whoa.
Hey, hey, hey.
Bark if they're barking.
Negril.
Let them talk, keep them talking. Hey. Radigan gonna keep them talking. Loud when they're talking.
Hey, Stone Love.
Hey, hey. Rodigan got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking. And I know.
Hold up. Yo. Wicked Garden Silk again. Me still not playing the Garden Silk yet. You see that tune I make a play now? Come here. Rodigan mentioned earlier on about Grammy. Who get the last Grammy in the world? Who get the final Grammy the other day? Anybody know? Who get the final Grammy? Toots and the Mater.
Some boy in a dance and cry. We
people say you must wipe him high.
Ready for the Jimmy Cliff.
Boy, we say you must be fooled because of the first you are playing a dance hall. It is no wonder.
Toots on the metal.
The stiff grass veteran Toots man for years. Hear this to love.
I want you to know that Stone Love Sound is a year-to-year sound that rules the world. Some playing this and some playing that, but they don't know.
I can see all the lighters. Negril.
Soon you will find out that Stone Love is the ruling sound.
Toots on the metal. Toots on the metal. That's gigantic.
It's gigantic, but I'm gonna go a step higher on the mountain, Billy. You think that's big? It's big. Yes, and Toots and the Maytals, one of the greatest groups. But who came before Toots and the Maytals as the first Jamaica superstar? Before Bob Marley, before King Yellowman, before the Wailers, before Jimmy Cliff. Jamaica first superstar, the one and only Prince Buster.
This is Prince Buster, the voice of the people.
Stolen!
Pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. The guns are hard, man, for dead. You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. Roddy's a hard man for dead.
Buster!
Them say the cat got a 9 life, but this man got 99 life.
Negril!
Them pick him up, them lick him down, him bounce right back. What a hard man for dead.
Gang done!
Them wild, one pot of chocolate tea.
Whoa!
And all the fried fish they caught.
Here's the richer feelings.
They also got 6 quarter rum. Saying that they're waiting for the 9 to come. The last time I heard them say that this man was dead.
Da 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 da.
And this man is the man that won this year's Grammy.
Yo, this is Jimmy Cliff. To the foundation.
Any Jimmy Cliff fans are here tonight on Negril? This is Jimmy Cliff, Negril.
Well, you could build your little house up in the sky.
I'm not even playing no more of that yet. The tune never come.
Hey! Stone Love. I have a message for you. I have a message for you, Stone Love.
David Rodigan, strong on ya. Oh, gonna play forever. Lord, no, strong on ya. Hey, you just ring the alarm.
I tell us all. Why?
Ticka-ticka-tock, Rodigan play non-stop. Oh, ticka-ticka-tock, Roddy play non-stop. Whoa,
hey.
Straight from London to
Negril City.
Rodigan clash. They both gonna play some reggae music for we. Let the world feel happy.
I tell us all.
Let the world feel happy. Lord, no, the world feel happy. Oh, they let the world feel happy. Oh, rock them in Brooklyn, in New York City.
This is the clash of the century.
Rock them Rodigan, throw them down.
Oh, talk of the country, talk of the town. Don't play plain till the morning. Talk of the country, talk of the town. Don't play plain till the morning.
Legendary dub plate from back in the days of Radigan and Barry G. You don't know it already, yeah. Long, big time dub plate. But no matter what, Radigan do tonight, we're gonna cramp his style with dub plate. Cause you don't know, this is John Holt.
Good, better, best. Stone Love is the best. Put him to the test.
John Holt.
I John Holt to the musical tower.
John Holt on the original Punani from way back when. Message Radigan.
Tonight, Stone Love, gonna make you cry.
Request to all channel fans from way back when, yeah. Get a bang, 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 bang. Yeah, man, reaching out to all channel fans, yeah. Well, all right. Yes, sir.
You're riding for a fall. You're riding for a fall.
And that's another medley with about 40 different tunes tonight, but that's general.
Ladies and gentlemen, my all-time favorite recording engineer was Osborne Ruddock, King Tubby, the electronics genius from Waterhouse, who built King Tubby's hometown hi-fi, 18 Drummerley Avenue. And it's from 18 Drummerley Avenue, Waterhouse, 1983. I'll play this. Mixed and engineered by King Tubby himself, the one and only Horace Andy. Stone Love. A message for you.
You trying to conquer Papa Radigan. You never will conquer Papa Radigan. You try to conquer Papa Radigan. You never will conquer Papa Radigan.
You see, I can't do the juggling, I can't do the bashment. The last dance I learned how to do was the bogle. But I love my music, and when it comes to the real hardcore foundation dubplate business, that's what I love to do. With all due respect, Stone Love.
Right about now, from way back when, original tune, all courtesy of Lieutenant Stitchy.
Yeah. I want to undeveloped, inconsiderate, and little malnourished boy over there, so you are talking. You can't play Stone Love.
Original tune, Lieutenant Stitchy.
Give them music roll, make we show them where I go on. Stitches without apology. Stone Love around the country for years. Follow it. Hey, you know what? You don't get to madman. You don't get to...
Right about now, tune just a reload to the box then, yeah. So right about now, Stitchy. To Negril fans.
You don't get to mad. Them get to mad. Them get to mad.
Lieutenant Stitchy. Papa Stone Love.
This is the only time I'm going to follow you with an artist, you know. I'm going to follow you this time with an artist, but not just one. I'm going to follow you, Lieutenant Stitchy, with Lieutenant Stitchy, but this time, Lieutenant Stitchy and Bounty Killer. No sound can play this.
Once again, to big bad mighty David Rodigan, no mercy. This is a small piece of history, no mercy. Bounty Kill alongside
the governor, the original Lieutenant Stitchy. Look on him and tell him so we don't pay nobody. The world's first dub plate with Bounty Kill and Stitchy. David Rodigan, you mash up anybody and send them to the cemetery. Hey. Rhythm track right away.
Needless to say no more, no mercy. Rodigan of the gun name, see you no more, no mercy.
We have the lyrics for sure.
What? And gunshot white pour.
And a boy's skull must have it bow.
Tell them, stitch it.
Hand in the air, hand in the air. Jump, without fear.
Yes.
This here, David Rodigan, a fine extra day.
Once more.
Hand in the air. Jump, without fear. Now stand up in a line, wait till them call me name round the table, David Rodigan, a pay.
Okay. Big things are going 2004. Me just go feed the gun when them see you no more. Big things are going 2004. David Rodigan a kill a dozen or more.
Chatting about this we have to
chop out that.
Yes. Chatting about this we have to chat.
Lieutenant Stitchy and Bounty Killer.
When you talk about Bounty Killer, you're going to get some 2005 Bounty Killer. What before that? Hey, all who say Bounty Killer, the bad man, DJ and the dancer, we have played that one for the Bounty Killer fans there. Swallow fan.
Swallow gun, no giant logic, no giant church.
Light up in dancer, I know. Hey,
give me no
every Bounty Killer fans wants to know one here. Who do I hear more Bounty down?
Drivers, to me this is
yeah, man, Bounty Killer come. Yeah. Radigan.
Forward and Payaka.
Manacle, and then go soccer. Sound boy, drink some ice water.
Jamaica, train don't run in Jamaica again. Minibus. And God help you if you're getting one.
Yeah, man, big up all West fans. And big up all the Massive who's here from Montego Bay who come enjoy the fun. Mobby Massive, this is yours.
This how big some boy gun is, them can't stop the family.
All the one jockey are free. I'm going to say me jockey are like to night on. Yeah, big up all the West one. Negril, Mobby. Yeah. All who said jockey if you come and run by now. Put up on the light of the jockey right now. Mobby, Negril, Westmoreland. Oh!
To divide and roll is their only plan. Their only plan is to love and love.
Yeah.
To let them over.
Jano!
The stone love we are king. In this jungle, seated up so high and so humble. I've seen some sound boy fall.
And they stumble.
Remember security is outside and I'm pressure the thing, so you don't know we have to play a couple more and Radigan.
With all due respect to the constabulary, they let us go an hour past time, so we say enough respect to the constabulary. We don't diss the program. So I played 2 more tunes, and then that's the end of the dance. Enough respect to Tambu Village and everyone who made this dance possible. Easy Big Mac, original founding father. Also, Hot 102, Saturday evening, 6 o'clock with Rodigan. The voice of Wayne Wade.
Radigan, my respect goes on top of the world, man. London girls, Birmingham girls, Leicester girls, and all English girls.
Hey!
Loving the rebound. Way!
Hey!
Yeah.
Well, here's the Wendy, here's the Terry.
So why this is a big disappointment.
Hey!
Yeah. The people don't want to hear your sounds no more.
Hey!
I know. Radigan has got all of your appointments.
Wait.
So back up your sound and walk through the door.
Wait.
Late last night, Radigan called me. He had an idiot sound to kill. Yeah. Said he made a vow that he'd stop killing sound boy.
Oh, wait.
But he said, wait, this is the sound boy I've got to keep.
Final entry.
Love you too much to ever stop listening.
What is it, Negril, with all due respect?
You don't know. This one I have to play. I saved this one specially for David Radigan. It's a man all the way from Mandeville. Alongside the one Mr. Bili man.
Not a mercy. Well, this is stone love a sound from above. Look for the man terms of justice.
I use this one kill Radigan a lot of time in my career.
As kings of kings, lord of lord, the conquer line of the tribe of Judah. Crazy ball that left from Boya. Being a man alongside Luciana.
Big up all Rasta man, boy. All who done your pork and pum pum to another year. All who done your pork and pum pum to another year.
Began the chase those crazy sound boys out of the town.
What I say? Chase those
sound boys out of the town. Jump on your bed and out of town. I stole out through the double
judgment.
And I rule the Lord.
Teach them.
Didn't those sound boys?
Me say all them man no say no damn pum pum. Two and over here, so up there in here.
That's we sing that homo blocking Chris like
white
and living in a white man world. False education destroy we live.
Where's that Gary? 2 more.
Mashing up the boys and girls.
Made him alongside Luciana. Yeah. It's one of the Radigan special don't play that.
Here's a Manju, here's a Skeng Dong, manager of the Tambu Village. Here's a Gary and all the staff that made it possible tonight. Here's a Wendy, here's a Terry out to London, England. Final sequence, final entry, final one. It will continue Wednesday night up in Mandeville with Bass Odyssey at Blase Blase. I would like to extend a personal thank you to Winston and all the sound team, the engineering department, original Stone Love, all the selectors, Powell, Father Powell, and of course Rory, wherever you are, and all the selectors that were here tonight. Final entry from David Rodigan. Hear this.
Wanna say big up the Radigan.
Oh, Barry's Hammond.
You play tonight. You're gonna make history, yeah. Take it easy, sound boy. Take it easy, yeah.
Tambo Village.
Disrespect your sound.
Hey.
But remember.
Tambo Villa.
When you planning to challenge Radigan, make sure you're serious.
Hey.
Cause it can be dangerous. It's not a joke thing, no.
Thank you, Stone Love.
And if you're planning to hustle the people,
thank you, Negril.
Be serious.
Thank you, Tambo Villa. With all due respect and honor, it's great to be back in Jamaica. Thank you.
Yeah. People, you don't know, it's not about two giants in the business. You understand? Massive, give it up for David Radigan for me now. Yeah, give him a round of applause for me. Yeah, because you don't know. As I said earlier around in a Massive, it's a respect you.
You love Almighty God wants every honor lighter in our ear now.
Yeah. Now remember, if you know not love, you know not God, because God is love. No, this is a song.
Bless you and bless it first.
It's everlasting. And we love that. Stone love sound. We love this sound, yeah. Saying?
Yes, God, and still kick it off.
Our Father watches.
All who love God, let me see your right hand in our ear. Put up your right hand in our ear. We can bless up the chin, yeah. Yeah, man, man on some iniquity, you know. Man on some warrior walk right now. Put up some light hand in our ear, you know. Father, skate that, carry that, crew that place. Light up the place. Hey, light up the beach. Light up the beach.
Lord is our shepherd, I shall not want.
Oh, but jump.
Maketh me to lie in green pastures.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Leadeth me beside the still water.
All who love God, listen. Remember soon on our way. We have been on right to left, right to left, left to right. Open the ear.
Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you see.
I don't know if I'm talking about Soul of and David Radigan. I don't know about Clash. You don't say Soul of and hey. Be the man.
Well, if a sound want to say, tell him to try. Nothing beat to tell you like a
pain, me boy.
This Soul of sound and
big up Lennox Lewis in our building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We want people that die.
Who knows any word? Fly like bird.
Somebody I got dead. Some
happy Monday's crew. Big up on yourself.
Yeah. See me with me gun, not think me go wrong.
All of the man who say no woman can't body up. Put up your gun on.
You want bring this grace and for response off your face. You attack off your mouth. I don't want you
neither toothpaste.
Time you this to love you cannot get them right.
Yeah. Then I go step in your face.
Girl, you in your waist and make you know you're out of place.
You know.
Disrespect, convict, we escape. I will need a man a linger with great.
Them says I lift my edge up to the influence comment my head comment from Jah, who made heaven and earth. Who God bless? All right, all God bless people again. The people of God, who be a man sometime, keep you on your side. All who love Almighty God, 200 a year upon the beach. 200 a year. 200 a year upon the beach. All who love Almighty God, make a bless the place before the hey. Why? Light side of the bombard place. Why? Shadow. Hey. You know? Yeah. Big up all who come from Europe. Big up on yourself. Germany, Italy, no matter where. All over the entire world. I wish DJ put on full black. Black eye glass and go up on the stage and say, people dead. Fire! You know?
Bullet in your head.
Famous your brain shell.
Yes, it's stone love, don't you take them for no hurt.
Hey!
No, you better now, this on the dirt.
Slow love in a concert.
Yes, old boy. Say your bad.
Me don't know what Negril wants to know, but me have to ask them.
Half a second, well, you must get hurt, them get. In the middle of downtown.
I don't want to hear some wicked tune tonight. I don't want Stone Love kill Radigan. That's what I want. All right. Yeah. Mina. Them are ready for that team, yeah.
We told me tell you them a dream.
Remember, I tell you, well, this is not an all-night thing, so we'll just go burn some tune and make you know what go on, because Radigan and Stone Love, this should be an all-night event, straight back till 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. I don't know if I real why Radigan can't last so long still. Yeah. But I want to reach out to all the sound people and the Stone Love fans them all over the world. This is the original.
Stone Love.
Watch this some light night where Stone Love people on there. Light night dancehall.
I don't want no ice cream sound that is too cold for me.
Shabba.
I don't want no ice cream sound that is too soft, you see. Hey,
Lot of mercy.
Yeah.
I want a sound that give me back each and every night time.
Tonight on the first Negril, I said it. 6 selector in a wonder. Billy Slaughter, Richie Wheeling, Diamond, Iceberg, Chris Cross, Bill Cosby. All the real Shabba light time I hear. We have a little artist who come from down Mandeville. Let's see the Mandeville artist.
We must have find a place to dance in this jungle created by mankind.
Yeah.
Where will I hear
Richie feeling the wake up.
good music play?
All right.
Tell me how I'll find a peace of mind. Love.
Yeah.
Some search around me. Oh Lord, man and man must ensure them.
Bang, 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 ding.
I feel like listening Stone Love instinct.
Yeah, man.
So I'll find me where Stone Love will be.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll take me over years on the vine.
Why me here ready to play some early dub plays a while ago with bad. But the dub plays are better than every other dub place in the world.
Give me now. The Stone Love sound will play every time a sound can wait.
That dub place I can grab me and jump me and everything. Yeah. Whiny Wonder.
And let us stay young and let us stay forever. Don't have the powers, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit like
33 years in the business, the world of Martin, greatest sound.
forever young. I wanna be forever young.
Wicked every time.
And Stone Love is gonna play forever.
Big and serious. Me already gonna play Welcome to Jamrock. All Jamaica we know so nobody can body up. Rise your gun and tall in our ear. You better take your bad like away. Wicked like away. Bad like away. Wicked like away. And I big up them stress.
Have mercy.
All who come to see some sound dead. Want to put up some light and gun on in a Negril. Walk one.
Mama, 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 Stone of Stone a murderer.
Stone of you run the border.
Papa,
put up the light on them. God that in here, woman that's up there so. Whoa.
Sound for dead. Stone Love you not see the land. Gunshot for us up in a sound boy head.
I mean say people, are you ready?
Up in a sound boy, them never hear when friend Rory said, I'm a sound is the program.
Roll over, roll out, and we are sure so we're the biggest and baddest on our business. So Capleton!
So many more will have to suffer, and many more will have to die. No ask me for why.
Yeah.
Don't love why. You want someone?
Yeah.
People no couple and prepare to die. Who rise against the Stone Love, they shall surely die. People no couple who no deserve to die. Who rise against the
let me tell you something, yo, we have too much tune we play that early here. Yo, that tune here, when we play that tune, I want to see every lighter when they on the beach turn on.
Indefinite! You know what term that's the future for Saul?
When I see if I can introduce that tune here.
On the immortal sound, Stone Love! Even though, yeah, we'll probably up your side to see it Rory, yeah, man, Richie Feelings, your respect in these times. Billy Slaughter, Chief Force, yeah, man, Diamond, you know, Bill Cosby, Holy Man, life last year. Ciao!
Mr. Moore, see every lighter when they on the beach turn on. If you don't know that tune, you know it's a bad tune. What if Latin? Negril!
Turn down Stone Love, could have been one of the most.
Well, on there, let me show you the thing, how thing right now, because this is the first Negril, I can see this 6 selector in a one dance, and it's a Stone Love anniversary. Bill Cosby!
I saw it set, you know, a party thing, and you don't know. Big up Father Radigan, Father Powell anyway. You understand? So, Roll out again.
Indefinite. You know what turbulence to future and for soul.
Request to all Negril crew, so it going on here.
Down. Stone love. Even though, yeah, we'll probably go plus side.
Big up Chief us to likewise. Father Rory, you don't know.
Not a Chief us, yeah, diamond. You know, Bill Cosby, holy man. Last year. Rastafari.
All the people who don't fear nobody but God right now, put your hand in the air. All who know nobody can disrespect you, put your hand in the air. Light and free up. Tell them.
Stone love could have been one of the most.
That tune right now for some people who don't like you in their life. Because you have some people them born bad mind and envy and grudge. All who know nobody can stop you, that one your name.
Big up yourself for the stone of Stay So Far Up, you don't know. Hey, you ready to feel it? Big up yourself. Stay So Bill Cosby, Chris Cross, Stay So Rory Diamond, you don't know.
All who said that don't for never rise your lifetime here. What the clean out the people in there? Free up, psycho.
Rise to the archives and look at yourself and say you're strong. Stone love, no one can stop you. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong.
I get her in Stone of Radigan, sense him.
It's for you to make the best in life.
Well, a 6 over there tonight, a murder. First in the world, our history. Negril has said this. Everything alright, ready again. And that tune for the people who give thanks and praise to life every day when you wake up out of your bed. They get because enough man going on and enough them going to wake up back. You understand me? So all who give thanks and praise to life, that one your name.
Yeah, man, a fans and more job, bless it up, you know. Stone Love sound and a rebel sound. Terrible sound against jump and sound. Richie Felix, big up yourself, my dada. Chris Cross, some boy for the mask.
All who believe in life right now, turn on your lighter. Turn up your light up on the beach. If you're rich with the life of Father, God give you a lighter. We want to see lighter them turn up. If you're not violated, take out your cell phone and turn it on. We want to see the light. Turn them up.
When I
turn them up. Yeah.
I see love.
Love in front of me.
You're walking.
Hey.
When I rise early this morning.
All the man and the woman who up on the beach right now who love themselves, sing the party. If you respect and love yourself, sing the party.
Well, it not take nothing at all. Impress me in what me doing. It not take nothing at all. Fear the king.
Yeah.
Tell us I the king of all kings. It not take nothing at all.
Fear the king.
Impress me in what me doing.
And as I'm saying, David Rodigan first with Stone of, so you know I'm murder and the night. You get to me, I say. So they want to right now request to all who come out to enjoy themselves and have a good time. Kill a roll out.
Cross, angry, me he's a rebel. Stone Love, Stone, sincerely. Stone Love killing them dearly. These motherfucking fools should maintain.
All who come to have a good time right now, enjoyment, Stone of Radigan, side go.
We proud, ain't no long story. We killing some boys' glory. It's Bounty Killer, the 5-star general. The head of
all who is about to turn up your lights again.
My eyes can see more clear.
Hey!
Stone Love sound killing them here.
Hey!
Seems like them in a dream.
Yes, sir.
We leave them on a murder scene.
Ready?
Stone Love, we treat them bad.
You know.
Them shouldn't make we get so mad.
I tell you.
You know them look so sad. We give them all the bullets we have.
We go so then again.
Them don't know what to do. Stone Love sound killing you.
Alright.
We hurt you, yes it's true. All the pint we are gonna give to you.
Ready?
It's okay.
Me no want a man tell me no lie. All the man who knows a woman alone you love right now, put your hand in the air and turn on your lighter. If you don't put on the lighter and phone light.
Only you can make
lighter. If you look woman. You understand me I say? Request to the man who know you have argument, figure the girl them drop the bomb.
Even a Stone Love. You know when I first saw all the turbulence from Ethiopia, Africa, presently residing in Jamaica. Yeah man, representing the big sound, the boom sound, the marmor sound, you say it. Stone Love. Even a Richard Fieldings play this music, I don't know say when I ramp in a wee power. Yeah man, Rory. Big up yourself now. Yo, Billy Slaughter, Jesus. Yeah.
I want to request to all the man if you have a girl in your life. All of the real girls them right now. Listen to you now. Wake up.
It was love at first sight, but it's Stone Love saw you that
Yes, I am. And I know from this moment.
Her thoughts and her deep.
I'll tell you.
Goosebumps came all over me when I look into her eyes.
All the money who have a girl in your life right now. If she interested, put her tell her straight.
I need your name and number where you reside. I need her by my side. I need her name and number where you reside. Don't know what the feelings get high. I need your name.
Easy for the Aston skeng down. All the money who will never smoke coke. Turn on your ganja lighter now. What do you read ganja man? They blink your lighter. Ganja man.
Hey officer, take these handcuffs off for me. I can't take it any.
What do you read with ganja man in the boy? Ready again.
Wow. And why you acting like I've never seen
a boom draw
of my kiki weed before?
And the running mouth and stone over roll out. Palm drop.
But no, you're telling her you're nice. If you follow, you go down a station.
Yes, sir.
I mean, no, in a drug smuggling.
Swear it.
I still love in a the juggling. My herbs is all I've got. Wow. Tell me what you're looking at.
Big up to the man who plant the weed and import it and export it. What the authentic ganja man then they again?
I plant a little tree in my front yard.
What?
Precious little tree in my front yard.
Hey.
Oh, where's the rights for the stream? Still love him matter.
Hey.
You see the found up on the wise man too. I take it time not to.
We say big up to the boss father for anywhere in the world.
To
G first like my father Rory. Ready again.
Yes. Nothing in this world like. Nothing in this world like so loving as a dancer. Make it feel so fine.
Somebody run for striker. Pass me the lighter. Right I know we come for but not all weed fighter. Stole up on the weed and now we get brighter. Doctor use the weed and go cure all gaiter. And the weed make man act so polite.
You have some people them bad mind. All who now watch and chat nobody if that tune hurt your feelings stand up one place. Why go?
Stole up, don't apologize to no boy. If you this last year, me gunshot your boy. You say yourself in a bill plastic.
All the man who know you're not lie down with them man later on. Put your gun finger in the ear. What the man that they put on the gun on? Right up in here.
Stole up, don't apologize to nobody boy. If you this last year, me gunshot your boy. Hey! You wanna the girl because I don't have a vagina. The lake of fire, me dash your boy.
Ready?
Stole up, don't apologize to nobody boy. If you this the woman, them the gunshot your boy.
Again!
Give me the one of the girl because I don't have a vagina. Hey, stole that sound. The girl them sexy and them fit. Pretty sexy girls don't love youngsters looking at somebody.
All the man who know say woman for real say woman.
Then we say bang billy bang billy bang 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 billy bang 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 billy bang bang billy bang 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 billy billy bang 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 bang.
You have some man that want a girl assassin burn them out. What the girls up on the beach and get this?
Then we say bang billy bang bang bang.
Girl them cry for the sun.
So fit fancy fit. Some but I'm not Cisco.
Assassin burn them out. What the girls up on the beach and get this?
Then we say bang billy bang bang bang.
Girl them cry for the sun.
So fit fancy fit. Some but I'm not Cisco.
I'm murder. A stone of soul. I swear to myself.
Them tying up some men so we do not keep friends with.
That we hear some boy I do.
Say them one why with this stone of grow. Them not his.
Yeah, some man have guilty conscience, so them can't put the man in the ear. All the man for the man can't take off your underwear. Every man top the sky. Top the sky. Stone of that. Pray. Don't not cheat you, boy. The man who not power in the gear. The man who not bad mind. Ready again.
And the blasted informers
got their eyes on me, I'm free.
Don't love is the greatest love sound that they ever.
Father Oscar Skate.
That's why pagans desperate.
If you're an informer, keep you on your side. All the money who know you're not informer, put the AK over the wall. Over the wall!
And some people and gun down run out. Judgment and food.
Ready again!
So see what I'm driving along.
Hey.
You want to take it?
Stone of sound.
greatest boom song that they ever quite see. That's why beggars inspire me. If you never be a since night, keep you on your side. All who show you beer before you come here right now. Two and start up the sky. Up the sky. I some big and gun drive run out. Up there. Up there. Tonight them say David Rodigan versus Stone Love. Roll out, Richie, feel it. Roll out.
Them sound then already. How you be Chinese Stone Love sound and where them feel like. Them done then already. Them come hype in a dance and Stone Love pop up.
Walk one.
Where them sound you feel like. Stone Love body sound with the real hype.
All respect Butcher Banton. Start blink your lighter. Blink your lighter, hey Butcher.
If I show them all them 6 pounds, why Stone Love and dance sound? Well, we don't respect. Me around far distance. When beat them up, now we put in up. Slaughter them. No sounds are we enemy. And no sound boy turning a mercenary. Well, if I'm one year, me here on next sound berry. No see no civil war or so much casualty.
Bomber drop. And we have to say big up to Father Radigan, because you don't know. Them man there accurate waves right on the road, so if you show him respect, you understand me. Enough respect, Father Radigan, you don't know. But a total niceness tonight in a Stone of David Radigan, you don't know. It's a party thing, an enjoyment thing, so yeah, so it's said. So right about now that tune for the people who know, say, when you light your stove, a fire come. You get to me and say, if you go burn a spliff and have your lighter and turn it on, a fire come when your weed start blaze. So the man who know is an authentic ganja man that will never smoke coke. That one you hear one.
Nothing can stop this fire. It's only I go blaze them higher. Yeah, I'm gonna reach what's on yeah. Last time I'm gonna cause the iceberg deep but life man.
All who know say coke will kill you, but ganja make you want a deep meditation. What the ganja man them there?
Stone Love and blazing hot.
Stone Love be blazing and blazing, I just can't stop.
I'm blazing hot.
Yeah.
Don't even try to go call the brigade or the cop. I'm blazing hot. Stone Love blazing.
If you have a lighter nose and a chichi man no bite gear right now, start blinking. Start blink your lighter. Start blink them, blink them, blink them. It's near fire, 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 fire. Blink them.
Fire, 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 fire.
Blink them up.
Fire, fire, fire.
Mr. Blink them up. Every man start jump for you now for the man shoes. Run, come stand up in the fire. Never hear. If you have to pay rent for your shoes or your band, stand up one place. All who now have on a man shoes, every man for your bump on your toe.
Come on everyone,
well this is fire. Every man for your bump on your toe.
Blazing this fire.
Stop bump on your toe them now.
Come on everyone, well this is fire.
If somebody now tell us say your arm molded, 200 in the year and start turn it up now. Turn it up, Missouri, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Turn it up. Burn it up. Hey.
Turn it up.
Hey.
Burn it up.
Yeah.
Where you lighter? Burn a fighter. Where you lighter? Burn backbite.
Well.
Where you lighter? Burn a die.
Yeah, some man see I make some money in life, but just so them bad mind now. Them can't certain people find you, but we not talk.
Careful you.
Hey, Bujo.
Stone Love we run up in the fence and we food get stuck off. 7 on me base bus and everything lost.
Hey!
This soldier them a act tough, me check it them soft. Who sell me up and who a walk round?
Ready?
And we drop a road, we hear some fussy wall a lot.
You know.
We used to wear Prada, now we have to wear cloth.
True.
Benz in a foreign but
I walk, we a walk.
I was the country now who them used to call bar.
Yes.
Control buildings, black sun park.
Yes.
Enough call the shots and we make the laugh.
Come on.
Looking back, some sound was really filled with flaws. In a the fast lane with no time to pass. Them gang in a foreign with another man a flop.
Mama chop. That's why it's it. You understand? As you said tonight in the massive, 6 already, so we are dealing with these 10. You understand me? So that tune right now of the people who know what is hard life. Because you don't know, so Jamaican people get the most fight in life, but we still a fight the struggle. Enough man sell weed, we send them picnic at school, and them thing there. The people who know what is hard life, me I talk about people who send them chicken back and bully beef and them thing there. Me I talk about authentic ghetto people. All who know hungry feel like I used to name bread and butter and drink some water. That one your name.
Let me tell you something. A Fantan Moja defend the Stone Love sound right now. I see Stone Love sound.
I'll get a man and get a woman. That one your phone.
Them come right up. We don't left out poor people, so I don't defend poor people and bun slave market on a town.
When you get to people in the turn on your lighter, turn up your lighter. Stone Love say, Mama hungry, Papa hungry. Play it.
A Fantan Moja Moja defend the Stone Love sound right now. I see Stone Love sound, we play for the lower class of people them. Come right up. We don't have poor people, so all who are different poor people and both play master down a town. Let me tell you.
All who know you believe in yourself, turn on your light up.
Stone Love say mama hungry, papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry. Do something for the poor. Open up the door. Tell them mama hungry, papa hungry, brother hungry.
You have some man gonna jail for what them don't know about.
Do something for the
all who have somebody in a prison right now, that junior here.
Another man up to your wife, prison life, never nice. Prison life and no nothing like paradise.
We no love jail, our road we want jump. Now what the name?
I'm steady trying to find the motive. Why do the freedom ain't getting no closer?
Yeah. No matter how far I go, Scooby!
My car is stolen.
Registration. Let me hear the fire system.
Stop me and I get. They won't let me
slap up.
They won't let me out.
Me believe, say, no man must not lie with the next man. It's written in the Bible, say, if a man lie with the next man, he shall put to death. All the man who not sleep with no man, turn up your light and you know why.
When shot I got jail, me no empty, no deal. Fly me no bleed too real.
We have weed fast here.
Me lawyer a big Queen's Council, so me never worry about bail.
When shot I got
jail, father sending female high grade.
You have some people that watch and chat enough. When them a watch and chat, look on them and tell them, I do not shut the body. Ready?
I love when I like my mama.
Hear me now.
I'll do them.
What are you saying, Billy Slaughter? What are you saying?
I sing boom bye bye in a body boy.
Again. When I say more, me want to see the fire. More. What the fire them there? Fire. Then two man. Yeah. Ready. You know.
Shoot the body boy come every shot them dead. Just look panda.
Nowadays, massive. And no Kingston alone at. The whole of Jamaica get wicked. Nowadays, if you watch yourself, let me tell you something in Jamaica now.
Never know who they run come this. I chat about them 9 well Chrome and Chris. West to love with a fear no sound. Man a bad man, man a bad man.
What are they know?
Send so hype up and I send the trade. No,
the man and a man now kiss you. No boy can't put no icky on your neck.
Man a bad
man.
Push up the one in the ear if you're not happy man. We no kiss, we no caress, and we no wappy man. We only wappy the wappy share and a wappy.
Ready?
A regular thing for me, we get out at the system. Push up the gun.
I want to say good morning to everybody with there. I understand. Big up all the tourists, them, you know. Big up all Jamaicans there. Anywhere you come from, just big up yourself, guys. Like a world link up, a global link up. You understand? Big up all the Rasta them with there. Everything all right. You see that song right now? Reaching out to all man who love Punani right now. If you don't love Punani, something wrong. All the man who love Punani right now, when that song you play, you're going to take out your lighter. Got that song your name?
You see that little piece of ranking meat?
All the man who have a lighter, take out your lighter, let me see them here now. Blink your lighter, them for the woman them. What the man who love boom boom they know? That one there, that one there. In the name love Punani, in the name love Punani. Punani, nani, 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 nani. Hey, oh man, you love Punani. Watch you know. All of the man them when know them never own no should up on the one and say ya.
Kevin, you know we swinging and ready.
Bounty killer. That one on here. Hey. Yeah.
We come to run your coochie red tonight.
All right. Big up Links Radio, Links TV in our place. All right. What we say?
Oh no, listen that part, yeah.
Cause we no long talker. Diamond and Cosby, Iceberg and Billy Slaughter.
Listen, Mr. Walker, stop it to your daughter. You take that larger.
All right. Well, the man never glad say when you come in here, you see a whole heap of woman. Put your hand in the ear. If you don't have that one, put up your lighter. That one there, that one there.
Take these words of the vine. Turn the breeze right away.
9 to 5. All who are work for your things right now, put your light on the ear. Lights are turned now.
When Stone Love tell them say, there is no time to get.
Yeah.
Some come for story to back her up by hearts to a love create. Tell them change the world. Them change the
world. Pick up all of the girlish them. That one have food one. That one
So it's a time after time. That we know. I'm here so we for us the powers.
Pick up a DJ Vibes Cartel, yeah?
Up to the time, Diamond. You know Temple and Certain like Nyland and Support.
Jamaica! Well, bad man.
Look man, then fly room, door around, put man. Fire pan, put man, plus man, then a woman, man, do man, yeah, where you man. He must sit up, one man, go up, another man, could have daddy, brother man. Other man, keep on, must stand, but other man, people, never in a set up.
Yeah, because
they make money, get money, take money, stash money in a bank book.
Cash money.
More money, more trouble, more weed, more juggle, more flip. Trouble, more gal, more sex, more car, more flex, more food, more message in a text. More shot of friend, more pussy and text. Stone up flex, and I go and get flex. But bad man not check the hide.
Bad man not, yeah. But I'll tell you like the beach party is nice, you know. David Radigan featuring Stone Love. But I'll tell you like everything alright. Because the promoter for that one, yeah. Skeng down everything alright. You understand? Don't forget every Wednesday, it's all about Wednesday Wednesday. Check out that at 41 Burlington Avenue. Well, right now, this song reaching out whether you're black, whether you're blue, whether you're pink, whether you're purple. That one of them unite the people.
Right now, I'm praying for the youths.
Yo, Massive and Crew, Killer Boo from King Aga the Sound. I'm making you know about one of the wickedest dances of the year 2005. It's all about Reggae Sound Fest. Yes, Reggae Sound Fest, Saturday, September 3rd, inside a club Amazura, Queens, featuring the World Immortals, Stone Love, Bass Odyssey, Swatch International, King Agony, LP, Renaissance Disco, and Massive B. For more information, log on to danluentertainment.com. And remember, you can't afford to make that dance, I miss you. Killer Boo says so.
Sees it, Will, Alan Pull, also Ricky Chupa, the serial killer. I do remember for the number one tapes, cassette, CD, so forth. Check download tape shop. 918 Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Telephone number 718-826-2322.
Up to the time, download tape shop. You know, the number one place that the fans love to stop for the latest in reggae and hip hop.